Hello everyone, welcome to KNS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Office Suite from your computer completely. So let's get to it. First, we open Chrome and you will search uninstall Microsoft Office Suite completely. Then you will select the first option, uninstall Microsoft Office 365 from a PC. From there, we scroll down and we select the button here named uninstall. When the prompt comes, open Get Help, you select the confirmation button yes and the Get Help window will open. From there, you can close the browser and continue from the Get Help window. You leave it for it to run. It will give you a list of options and give you two commands to select from whether you want to continue with the uninstallation or cancel it. So you choose yes from this option. It will run the code to uninstall Microsoft Office Suite completely from our computer, depending on the version of Office that you are using. You give it time for it to run till the uninstall is done. So as time goes on, if you think like it's keeping long for you, you can close it and go to the Get Help window and check. So we can see from here that it says there was an error uninstalling Microsoft 365 application. And it will give you an option whether you want to continue manually. So you select continue there, but it's going to give you only the steps that you are supposed to follow to uninstall. So you move away from the Get Help window. After that, you click on the Start button and search for the term uninstall. When the menu opens, which is going to be in your settings, you scroll down and select the Microsoft Office Suite that you want to uninstall. In this case, it's Microsoft 365. Then you select uninstall. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.